Our official referee, Mr. Dyer Yosef and Padrigao. Our scorer, Mr. Yosef.
Ambak, Francis!
No good. Rebound number 8. Pass to number 2. Fadeaway shot. Nice 2 points.
Alright, Francis!
Ball position, balay asal.
Bawi, bawi!
That was the number 3. 3 points. 5-0. Balay asal. That was 0-3. The number 1. Pass for 2. No goal. Rebound by number 3. Number 3. That's 2 points. Number 3. So 5. This is number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Trouble. So the number 9, so number 03 from TFTV. 03 with the ball. Pass to number 9. Number 9 for 3. Number 9. For 5. Pass break. Pass break over. You hold on. And the by number 3. So number 1 to number 03. Pass to number 9 to number 3, number 12. Number 12, pass to number 14, number 7. Jump ball position, TFTV. The number 9. Pass to number 03. 03 no trying the ball. Pass to number 9. Number 9 to number 1. Number 2 no good. Rebound number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9. 6-5. 6-2 in the lead. Pass back. Line number 3. 3 points. Time out! Time out is given. Sunod na nga 17-15 under. Anda mantap mo. Kayang oras. Tayo pa. Number 9. Pass to number 03. 03 na the ball. Pass to number 7 for 3. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha. Pass to number 7 again. Number 7. Number 2. Number 14. Pass to number 14 again. Number 14. Wala. Rebound. Rebound number 3. Number 3 to number 03. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Wala. Rebound. Ball position. Baling asal.
Silat! Come on ka, come on!
14 ang abot. And bound by number 9,
Trayog tres
pass to
ka.
number 03.
Trayog tres.
Ilogan, number 7, pass to number intercept, ball position, Barigasan. Number 5, pass to number 14, back to number 5, number 3, walang abot. Ball position, it's Kibi. Number 03 grabbing the ball. 03 pass to number 7. 7 for 3. Wala, rebound. Disable.
Girl, ayaw ka kulbakan.
Number 9, wala, rebound. Lokoy number 12. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Intercept. Guys, 0, number 3. Kita na ba yan? Foul. 53.7 seconds.
Pang-atay, may sila. Ay! Shot, baby! Go, my love! Pag maka-score ka, pa-score ka! Pa-score ka!
Ayaw, sa'yo pa na ba? Kagal-shot siya. Yan na.
Hey, isa lang, isa lang!
Oh, last two. Dapat 9-8 is Studio the lead. It's now number 5. It's illegal travel.
Go, my Sherwin! Ay, hindi nga daw. Pero to.
Ulit ka, Carl.
45 seconds.
Tumayo.
So, number 1. Nakuha na number 7. Number 7 to number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Is score 11. Is Studio the lead. And there's a whistle. Foul. Foul. Number 3. First big foul, Team TV. Oh, go, hindi pa klaro. Ano na rep? Kaya na...
Carl, tulit ka,
Oh.
tulit.
Relax lang, wala pa na pala bula. Wala pa na rin ang bula. Sige.
Ticket, Carl, ticket.
22 seconds.
Ticket. Ano pa?
Back to number 12, number 5. Number 5. Dakay lugar na dyan. 15 seconds.
Wala ka na triple.
45 seconds. And